In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable microphone in Microsoft Edge. First, open the website in Edge that you want to use the microphone with. This step is essential because it sets the context for enabling microphone access. You want to ensure that you are on the correct page where microphone functionality is needed. As the website loads, pay attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where you will find important icons related to site permissions. By having the right site open, you ensure that the changes you are about to make will apply specifically to this page. Once the website is fully loaded, click the padlock or site icon on the left side of the address bar. This symbol indicates the security status of the site you are visiting. Clicking on it reveals a menu with various options related to site permissions. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the settings specifically for this website. It also reassures you about the security level of the site you're using. A clear understanding of these permissions helps you maintain control over your browsing experience. From there, select Permissions for this site. This option will lead you to a detailed view of the permissions that are currently set for the page you are on. Here you will find settings related to various functionalities, including the microphone. This is important because it allows you to manage access rights effectively. By reviewing these permissions, you can ensure that your microphone is appropriately configured for the site, enhancing your experience and interaction. Next, locate the microphone option within the permissions menu. This specific setting controls whether the website can access your microphone. Finding this option is key as it directly relates to the functionality you are trying to enable. Once you see it, you can confirm that the site is requesting microphone access. This step helps clarify the permissions that need to be adjusted to ensure seamless communication through your microphone. Change the microphone setting to Allow. This action is critical because it grants the website permission to use your microphone. By allowing access, you ensure that any features requiring audio input will function correctly. This is particularly important for applications like video calls or voice recordings directly from the browser. After making this change, you should feel confident that your microphone will now work as intended on this site. Now refresh the page to apply the changes you just made. This step is essential because it ensures that the new permission settings take effect. By refreshing the page, you allow the website to recognize the updated microphone permissions. You will likely notice that the website reloads and any features that require microphone access will now be functional. This simple action solidifies the adjustments you've made, confirming that everything is set up correctly. With that done, you have successfully enabled the microphone in Microsoft Edge for your chosen website. This process not only enhances your browsing interactions, but also ensures that you have control over your permissions. You should now be able to use your microphone without any issues. Remember, managing site permissions is a small but vital step in maintaining a secure and responsive browsing experience. Thank you for following along. Enjoy using your microphone in Edge.